Hello and welcome to BioX PH Up Tutor. BioX plant nutrient pH up solutions will help you maintain a great balance of pH levels for your hydro, soil, cocoa, and rockwool growth media for plants. BioX plant nutrient pH products are carefully manufactured from pure concentrates that are pharmaceutical grade. Come and check out BioX's pH down video for more information. BioX would like to talk about what soil pH is. Soil pH is the measure of soil acidity or basicity, and it is defined as the negative logarithm of the proton-hydrogen plus activity. The pH ranges from 0 to 14. A pH of 7.0 is defined as neutral, while a pH of less than 7.0 is described as acidic, and a pH of greater than 7.0 is described as basic or alkaline. Soil pH ranges roughly from acidic pH less than 3.5 to very strongly alkaline pH greater than 9.0. Soil pH is a master characteristic in soil chemical properties because pH governs many chemical processes. The pH specifically affects nutrient bioavailability by controlling the chemical forms of nutrients. One example is, ferrous iron is a bioavailable form of iron for most crop species, but ferric iron is not. At a relatively high pH, ferric iron is the primary form, and crop plants may experience iron deficiency. One of the most necessary soil chemical properties for optimal crop production, soil pH determines nutrient sufficiency, deficiency, toxicity, and the potential need for liming of sulfur. Because nutrient solubility is highly pH dependent, soil pH near 4.0 or 9.0 is usually not suitable for commercial production. A pH range from 5.5 to 7.0 is suitable for most crops. From a solubility point of view, this pH range can assure the high bioavailability of most nutrients essential for vegetable growth and development. Some examples are, soil pH of 8.0 or higher, iron and/or magnesium bioavailability cannot satisfy most crops' nutrient requirements. However, when soil pH reaches 5.0 or lower, aluminum, iron, magnesium and/or zinc solubility in soil solution becomes toxic to most crops. Problems can occur with cation and anion nutrients. Soil pH determines the solubility and bioavailability of nutrients essential for crop production. There are 17 elements mandatory for the normal life cycle of crops. The 17 nutrient elements can be roughly categorized into two groups, 3 nutrients from air and water, which are carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen, and 14 soil nutrients, which are nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, calcium, magnesium, sulfur, iron, zinc, copper, boron, chlorine, molybdenum, and nickel. The bioavailable forms of all the soil nutrients are ionic, some are anionic, negatively charged, such as phosphorus, some cationic, positively charged, such as potassium, and some are both, such as nitrogen, nitrate ions or ammonium ions. The solubility, i.e., bioavailability of each of these 14 nutrient elements is closely related to soil pH. At pH lower than 5.0, iron, calcium, magnesium, and zinc are highly soluble. These micronutrients can form precipitates with phosphate at this low pH, and phosphorus becomes unavailable accordingly. However, at pH greater than 7.0, Ca and Mg have high solubility, and they can immobilize phosphorus as well. Thus, comprehensively speaking, in the pH range from 5.5 to 7.0, all the nutrients have favorable solubility for use by plants. Problems can occur with nutrient uptake near the root zone. Soil pH also affects nutrient uptake by plants because pH can change soil particle properties. For example, if soil pH is unfavorably low, the positive charges on soil particle surfaces can tightly retain nutrients such as phosphorus, potentially causing phosphorus deficiency. However, if soil pH is adversely high, then magnesium and zinc will become difficult for plants to use. The lower pH favors phosphorus, iron, and zinc uptake because the bioavailability of phosphorus, iron, and zinc is higher at pH 5.4 than at pH 7.3. Problems can occur with metal toxicity. Basically, metal toxicity occurs at soil pH lower than 5.0 when elements such as aluminum, iron, magnesium, and calcium have a much higher solubility than crop nutrient requirements. If you want your plants to grow quickly and produce fantastic harvests time after time, you need to carefully balance the pH of your media root zone and nutrient water. Promotes plant health and nutrient absorption. Superior grade, pure formula, economical and easy to use. You've got to be a bit of a chemist to do this, and you've got to use BioX plant nutrient pH up and pH down to carefully regulate pH levels so plants absorb maximum nutrients and grow well. Get yourself a pH meter and read your root zone and nutrient water daily if you're using rockwool, volcanic rock, cocoa core, soil, sphagnum moss, aeroponics, or any other type of root zone media. You'll usually find that pH needs to be adjusted. Guess what? If you don't adjust pH to optimum levels, your plants will grow slowly, produce teeny-weeny harvests, or even die. If you're using a pH adjustment products made by other companies, you may damage your plants, or you may not be able to do precision adjustment of pH. BioX PH Up is a pharmaceutical-grade version of potassium that immediately increases hydro pH without harming plants. Mistakes that a lot of growers make are they don't monitor pH every day, and they don't use our pH adjustment products. If you don't monitor pH levels every day, you are missing the opportunity to create the perfect pH level so your plants can absorb nutrients at the fastest rate possible. If you use pH adjustment products made by other companies, you are probably using less concentrated formulas, and some of them have been known to damage crops. Our BioX plant nutrient pH adjusters are pharmaceutical grade and perfectly consistent. Be kind to your plants, adjust pH as needed with our pure, safe, easy-to-use pH Up. If pH is too high, use our pure pharmaceutical-grade pH Down. When you feed quality advanced nutrients fertilizers to plants with ideal pH in your nutrient water and plant's root zone, your hydroponics plants will respond with greener growth, sweeter flowers, and very high yield. The BioX team would like to thank you for taking part in our video tutorial. Come and check out our social media sites and web page at bioxplantnutrients.com. Thank you.